Hello, I have a message for you today. I have a message for anybody who is tired. Maybe physically tired, but also just tired of striving, hustling. Our culture tells us we have to keep improving ourselves, keep growing our Instagram numbers, keep growing self-helping, keep, expanding ourselves, our consciousness, and it is freaking exhausting. I think especially if you are a woman or have been culturally raised female, we've been sort of indoctrinated with this idea that we are never enough, and I just have a message for you. You do not have to try to fix yourself, to self-help, to grow to the next level in your consciousness, in your life. You don't have to try to do that. Guess why? This is something that I've found in life, in just living all these years. You don't have to try to grow, because guess what? Life is going to cause you to grow. If you are really being aware, you will recognize that life will bring you people, circumstances, feelings into your life to cause you to integrate your past, your shadow, to grow to the next level of your self, your consciousness, to heal or integrate your wounds. Listen, stop. Stop trying so hard. Stop going to all the classes, all of the healing circles or whatever, you're reading all the books. Yeah, when you feel like you need to, but listen, I just realized that life is doing this. Life is helping us. Life is helping us grow and expand to the next level if we are aware that it is happening and not resisting it, right? So just like we can sort of, I believe, co-create with life to expand who we are, what we want in this life, friendships, relationships, house, career, whatever, just like that. Life also supports us in growing, and it's freaking painful most of the time. So we can resist it, or we can stop, and whatever is happening in your life, you can say, I wonder, what is life asking of me right now? What is life asking me to grow into? Who is the next version of myself, right? It's an unlayering, really, like taking the layers off of the conditioning, that the beliefs that we've held, and really accessing the fuller, the more authentic part of ourself. So in that sense, it is growing, but it's really revealing more of ourselves. So I really think that is what life is about, and we don't have to force it. So if you're going through this, if you're going through something, or if you're trying and you're freaking exhausted from trying to manifest or, boss bitch, whatever, your way to your next like 10K or whatever the hell you're working on, or healing yourself of trauma or whatever the hell. It's just so funny. I mean, I have been taking so many classes about trauma and trauma-informed shit. You know, I mean, I guess it's working little by little, it's working, it's a practice, but it's just funny because I was talking to my therapist today and it was like this very weird way that life actually wants to kind of come in and heal this part of me. It's not a way that I would imagine from taking all these classes. Anyway, but so just if you're in this place of being tired or wanting to grow, going through a hard time, sit back and ask yourself or ask life, like, what is life trying to show me, trying to teach me? What is the next version of myself? Or what is the layer I need to release to expose my highest self or my most authentic self? I like to call it your core creative essence, that. And if you're trying to manifest shit, listen, that's when it happens. It doesn't happen when you force it, when you're pushing, when you're saying your fucking mantra every day. I mean, maybe, I don't know. But in my experience, it happens when you follow this beautiful unfolding that life brings to you in this painful, beautiful way. So ask yourself, what is life trying to show me? What am I learning? And who's around me that can help me? Who do I have that can speak to me as a resource? Because life just doesn't put you, I'm gonna cry. Well, we feel very alone sometimes, but you have so many resources around you. So listen to your intuition, tap in, get quiet, listen to your intuition. Who is around you? Who you can lean into? Who you can tap as a resource? I'm here. If you need to talk to me, whatever life is sending you right now, message me. I would love to talk about it because I love talking about this stuff. I'm going through all this shit myself. So we don't have to do all of this hustling, okay? I know we've been programmed to, but rest into, allow life to unfold, to help you to grow, to help you expand, to help you to manifest whatever is next. So lean into that, lean into the people who are there, your community. It's a wild time. So I love you, and I hope this has helped you. So have a good week, y'all.